Hello all, and hope you're doing well. I wanted to go over the direction for today's activity. So today, um, as you may be able to guess, we're going to be building some wind turbines soon. So for today's assignment is an activity in which we're going to try to do some research. So what I'm going to ask you to do is I want you to find four different pictures of four different wind turbines. So we can just use the internet. So Google Images might be a good place to start, or maybe a Google search or whatever search engine you may use. You want to find four different types or designs. What that means is it can't be one of the most common types of wind turbine or windmill, some say. Has three blades, so um, it can't be just four different pictures of three-bladed wind turbines in four different places. So, like one example might be one with three blades and one with five blades. So you want to be able to find different designs because eventually you're going to design your own, and I want you to be able to have uh, some inspiration from this activity. So look for some unique designs if possible. So I would like to see ones at most the traditional three-blade one, not very often. So try not to use the normal three-bladed wind turbine, a windmill, if you will, if possible. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you're stuck at all. Don't hesitate to reach out. And I hope you have a great day.